What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Bourbon Street Chicken. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, garlic, ginger, brown sugar, bourbon, low sodium soy sauce, hoisin sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Begin by seasoning the chicken thighs with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce and mix. Mince 5 cloves of garlic. Mince about a tablespoon of ginger. In a hot skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil. We're using avocado oil for its high smoke point. Once the skillet is hot, add the chicken and sear for 7 minutes on each side. And for this recipe, you want a good char on both sides. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the skillet. Chop the chicken. For the sauce, you can either use the same skillet or a different one. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic and a tablespoon of ginger and let it cook for about a minute. Add 1 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Add 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. Add a half cup of bourbon. The amount of bourbon used is a preference, so you can use less or more. Allow the sauce to simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. Add the chicken to the sauce. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And there you have it, Bourbon Street Chicken. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.